The dashboard is Option Panel's main screen, giving you a complete view of your trading performance. It is divided into two main sections: Account Overview and Portfolio Performance. We will cover each one separately, but first, it helps to understand the difference between these two concepts. An account is an operational unit. It typically corresponds to a real brokerage account or a paper trading account that simulates one. A portfolio, on the other hand, is a more conceptual grouping, usually linked to a specific strategy, such as iron condors, cash-secured puts, or income trading. The relationship between accounts and portfolios is flexible, and it is entirely up to you how you want to organize them. Before diving in, notice the period selector buttons in the top right corner. Max, YTD, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. All data and charts in the dashboard will automatically update based on the period you select. The first section is the account summary, which gives you a financial snapshot of your account. The fields displayed are as follows. Initial net value, the net value of your account at the start of the selected period. Deposits and withdrawals, any capital movements made during that period. Result, or P&L, the profit or loss from your trades. Current net value, your account's current net value. Percent CAGR, the compound annual growth rate, which normalizes your return to make it comparable across different time periods. And finally, percent Max Drawdown, the largest peak-to-trough decline your account has experienced, a key indicator of the risk you have taken on. You may sometimes see a warning triangle next to the result figure. This means a reconciliation gap has been detected. In other words, the result recorded in your broker account does not exactly match the sum of trades registered in Option Panel. This can happen for two reasons. Either your broker has applied charges or credits that Option Panel does not track, such as interest, fees, or dividends, or trades were placed or closed directly on your broker's platform outside of Option Panel. To keep your data clean and your analytics reliable, always trade through Option Panel. To the right of the account summary, you will find the returns versus benchmark chart, which compares your account's performance against the SPY exchange-traded fund as a market reference. Just below that, the monthly return section shows your month-by-month performance, and you can switch between table and chart format using the table and chart buttons. Further down, there are two additional charts. The first is the equity curve, which shows the evolution of your account's net value over time. A steady upward line is what every trader wants to see. The second is the drawdown chart, which visualizes declines from each relative peak, helping you understand the depth and duration of losing periods. Finally, the Open Trades panel gives you a snapshot of your currently open positions. Total number of trades, how many are winners, and how many are losers, and the combined profit and loss across all of them. If you have more than one account in Option Panel, you will find a selector at the top of the page that lets you view the dashboard in aggregate or filtered by a specific account. In the next video, we will cover the second part of the dashboard, Portfolio Performance.